This is your product. अब ये पैकेजिंग के हिसाब से व्हाट वाज रिक्वायर्ड एज ड्रम्स, ये सामने ड्रम्स दिख रहा है आपको, मेंशन ना कहीं ड्रम्स है या क्या है, बॉक्सेस है। सो अगर ऐसा पर्टिकुलर कार्गो है उसमें पैकेजिंग दिया होगा, लार्ज पैकेजिंग नहीं दिया होगा, क्योंकि यही लार्ज पैकेजिंग है। इसी को 4-5 ड्रम भर दोगे तो खत्म तुम्हारा स्टोरेज। सो उसमें एलपी नहीं दिया होगा, इट इज ओनली पैकेजिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज योर इमीडिएट कंटेनर नो, इसके अंदर कार्गो है आपका, करेक्ट। This small packaging can be put in large packaging. If this was small in size, 5 liter cans, they could be packed in a large container. Then it becomes large packaging. Okay. Considering your any immediate packaging, ठीक है, ये immediate packaging होता है जिसके अंदर immediately cargo है. Please understand this. Whatever is your immediate packaging, अब ये word immediate मत use करना. First of all, ये मैं आप लोग को explain कर रहा हूँ. The packaging that contains the goods, correct? Packaging that contains the goods. On those packagings, you will be having labels. Please understand. On this particular packaging, you have labels of the class and the subsidiary risk or subsidiary hazard. What is subsidiary risk or hazard? Pawan, Prithvi. इसका मतलब होता है सेकेंडरी
रिस्क सर,
secondary. So anything that is flammable can also be toxic. It can also be corrosive. Yes, that is subsidiary risk. So all your packagings that contain the cargo directly or the dangerous goods, they will be having labels. And any packaging that contains these packaging, अभी ये जो drums आपको दिख रहे हैं, if all these drums together, if I put it in one container, that is your large container, correct? If it comes in that, then the container has to be marked with placards. Is that clear? Is that clear? The container, अगर ये drums हम इसके अंदर रख देंगे, तो the containers will be marked with placards. Clear? This is your labeling and placarding. Labels are of sizes at least 100 mm by 100 mm. Along with that, you have subsidiary risk. Another label may be put for subsidiary risk. Clear? Okay. यहाँ पे देखो क्या लिखा है स्टेटमेंट. Labels must be affixed to the surface of a package, basically on the package itself. Package का मतलब क्या होता है? जिसके अंदर डायरेक्टली कार्गो है. Clear? Packaging, that's what we saw ना. P130 एग्जाम्पल देखा था पैकेजिंग. As per requirement, text is not required on primary or subsidiary hazard labels. उसमें class mentioned होता है. Is that clear? These wordless labels may be used to ship domestically as well as internationally. Let's have a look at our example. Correct? they do not have any text, they only have the class. Class कौन सा है? 3. Class 3 is flammable liquids. Similarly, subsidiary hazard और subsidiary risk का भी label है यहाँ पे. It is again without any text. It only contains the class. So that is class 8, corrosive. Clear for all? Let's understand placards. These are placards. Okay. Minimum size of 250 by 250 mm. Okay. Size of 250 by 250 mm. It is on bulk packaging freight containers. Is that clear? Clear? Again, wordless placards may be applied. वही बोला इसमें. Placard का हमेशा size से मालूम पड़ जाता है. Is that clear? If you just have a look at these. Now let's have a look at this poster. ये देखो. ऊपर वाले labels हैं, नीचे वाले placards हैं. Yes or no? Just have a look at class 6. Example के तौर पे just have a look at class 6. अगर आपको कोई दूर से बल्क पैकेजिंग वाला दिखता है, करेक्ट? बल्क पैकेजिंग यानी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कंटेनर, करेक्ट? एनी कंटेनर. सो इन दिस केस, if you see your placards, it clearly shows what is there inside from far away. But label से हमें इतने दूर से मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है. It is very difficult to read. That should be clear in your mind. Placard मतलब बड़ा होता है, label मतलब छोटा होता है. बड़ा मतलब बड़े पैकेजिंग पे जाएगा, छोटा मतलब छोटे पैकेजिंग पे जाएगा. इतना उसको ऐसे याद कर लो. मेमोराइज इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, करेक्ट? प्लेकार्ड बड़ा है, बड़े पे जाएगा. लेबल छोटा है, छोटे पे जाएगा. प्लेकार्ड साइज 250 by 250, लेबल साइज 100 by 100. Clear for all?